In this video, I just wanted to continue following the setup of the new boxes in my yard. I wanted to show you what I planted, or at least some of what I planted. So I have several varieties of tomatoes. I'm thinking 5 tomatoes per box, and then 2 pepper plants, one here, one here. My goal is to have 5 tomato plants and 5 pepper plants in each of these boxes. And I will prune the tomatoes, not to a single stem, but I will prune them to probably 2 or 3 stems, so they're not going to be completely sprawled out. Now in the middle, I will fill in with either basil or cilantro, and probably lettuce around the rest of the areas, marigolds, that kind of stuff. So several varieties I'm trying to plant this year.
Going down? Going down?
Okay, just wanted to give an update. So this is a few weeks later, and as you can see, the grass here has not been growing through. So the 6 inches of compost was actually enough to stop the grass from coming through. But I did make a small mistake. So if you look here in this bed, you'll see some of these spears of grass, and actually I had forgotten that I had a little bit of nut grass growing in this area of the lawn. And for those of you not familiar, nut grass is a very persistent weed that is very difficult to eradicate because it keeps coming back. So you have to keep removing it and try to remove as much of the root as you can, and it makes a little nodule on the roots which stores energy. And so even if you remove most of the roots, if that little nodule is left, then it will grow back. You can see I have a little bit in this bed as well. And so I'm not too concerned because The compost has actually blocked most of it, but anything that comes through, all I'm going to do is pull it and keep doing that until the root system is weak enough to the point that it doesn't come back. And all this growth, this happens in one day. So like it'll keep coming up every day. So I'm just gonna keep pulling it. Hopefully that'll take care of it. So it's good if you get a little bit of the roots out.